If you're posting Instagram Reels without Cuelinks in 2026, you're missing one of the easiest monetization hacks right now. Because Instagram has rolled out one of its biggest creator monetization updates. You can now add product links directly inside your Reels. That means no more check link in bio, no extra steps, no lost clicks. And when paired with Cuelinks, every single click can become a revenue opportunity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Cuelinks with Instagram Reels, how to add affiliate links step by step, and how creators are monetizing their content smarter in 2026. Why this update matters. For years, creators had one major problem. Whenever they wanted to promote a product, they had to redirect users to the bio. And most people never clicked. Too much friction, too many steps, too many lost conversions, but Instagram has now changed that. You can directly add product links within your Reel content, meaning viewers can tap and shop instantly. And when you are converting the links into affiliate links with Cuelinks, you get paid every time someone converts. Step 1. Generate link using Cuelinks. First, log into your Cuelinks dashboard. Go to the Link Kit tool under Resource Center. Choose the product you want to promote. Paste the product link you want to promote. This can be any product from top merchants, literally anything from 15,000 plus supported brands. And instantly, Cuelinks converts it into your affiliate tracking link. Copy that. Done. Step 2. Create your Instagram Reel. Now create your Reel normally. This could be product review, lifestyle recommendation, fashion haul, tech breakdown tutorial video, whatever matches your niche. Because the best affiliate content doesn't feel like selling, it feels like recommending. Step 3, a product to Reel. Once your Reel is ready, go to the publishing screen, tap Add Products. Now select/search the product you're featuring, attach it to the Reel, and publish. That's it. Now your audience can click directly from the Reel to the product page, and your Cuelinks affiliate tracking handles the rest. Now here's why creators prefer Cuelinks for this. Instead of joining affiliate programs one by one, Cuelinks gives you access to thousands of brands. One dashboard for tracking easy affiliate link generation. No technical complexity, beginner-friendly setup. So whether you're a small creator or full-time influencer, it scales with you. Instagram is making shopping content bigger than ever. And creators who understand monetization early will always win first. So if you're already posting Reels, start making every Reel count. Use Cuelinks, monetize your product recommendations, and turn your audience into revenue. If this helped, subscribe for more creator monetization strategies.